Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share a post on Instagram. So first of all you need to go here and make sure that you have created your free account. Then after that you can log in. Then to create and publish first blog post you can go here. Then scroll down and here you can see you will get multiple options. You can create a post, you can share a live video. So click here post, and after that now you need to select image and videos from your laptop. So let me click on the button, and after that now let me select one of the image, for example this one, and now click on next button. Now you can apply some filters and adjustments. Then again click on next button, and here you can add some text and captions about the image, for example SEO course. Then after that you can also add locations, and after that click on share button. And now post is shared. In this way you can easily publish a post on Instagram.